everyone. Greetings and best wishes, and we welcome you all. And thank you for coming for the inauguration of Apollo Fertility, Banjarals unit. And I also would like to thank our CEO sir, Chandra sir, and Anubhav Garu, COO, and Satish ji for their constant support and encouragement in starting this unit. So here I would like to say that even in a country like India, where with a billion population, still there is infertility is definitely an issue and it is on the rise. It is due to our unhealthy lifestyle, be it our lifestyle issues like obesity, smoking, environmental pollution, our stressful work environment, which all and also the rise in medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and hypothyroidism. All this has added on to the problem of infertility. And it is our observation that couples looking for fertility treatments, lot of times are unable to get the correct treatment for their problem and seem to waste lot of their precious time and finances trying to conceive. And in this scenario, Apollo Fertility, with its quality healthcare and world class international standard IVF lab and infrastructure, will be able to help the couple in this journey towards parenthood with their expertise and experience. As a team of experienced doctors and embryologists and nursing staff, we are very well aware that the journey to parenthood can be quite stressful and difficult and very emotional. And in this journey to parenthood, where we are always there and right behind the couple and will be supporting them in their goal towards parenthood. We would like to reassure that the team of Apollo Fertility will stand right behind them and help them fulfill their dreams of parenthood. We are definitely a fertility unit. We do definitely simple treatments like IUI to IVF ICSI, but we are also offer advanced IVF treatments such as pre-implantation genetic screening, pre-implantation genetic diagnosis, which will help in couples with recurrent IVF failures and recurrent pregnancy loss. And we would also like to state it is our endeavor to also offer fertility preservation services to our cancer patients. And it is also our area of focus would be treating infertility patients with very low ovarian reserve to achieve their own genetic child. As a team of expert consultants and embryologists, we have an expertise in the field of assisted reproductive technology. We have a rich experience and clinical background and training and having trained in the centers of excellence in India and abroad. Our endeavor would be as a unit to give exceptional clinical success rate with our century-old Indian tradition of care and help the couple in achieving their journey towards parenthood. And also thank the management of Apollo Fertility for having given us the constant support that we required at every step. And we would like to tell the management that we are here to in service of our patients. We are here to fulfill their dreams of parenthood. We have excellent team of doctors, and I would like to inform about our team of doctors. Dr. Avani and Dr. Alekhya are there, and we have also excellent trained embryologists with us who will definitely will work towards fulfilling our dreams of our patients.
థ్యాంక్ యూ డాక్టర్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇది మూడు రకాలుగా ఉంటుందండి. ఒకటి పేషెంట్ ఓన్ జెనెటిక్ మెటీరియల్తో ఏంటి సక్సెస్ రేటు, లేకపోతే థర్డ్ పార్టీ రిప్రొడక్షన్తో సక్సెస్ రేట్ అనేది. థర్డ్ పార్టీ రిప్రొడక్షన్ అంటే ఓసైడ్ డొనేషన్ అనేది సక్సెస్ రేట్ అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు 80%. అండ్ సరోగసీ తీసుకుంటే 95%. సో ఇలా 3 పార్ట్స్లో ఉంటుందండి. సో మీరు సక్సెస్ రేట్ ఉన్న 90% అంటే 90% దేంట్లో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ థర్డ్ పార్టీ రిప్రొడక్షన్ అనేది డెఫినెట్గా వీ కెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. ద సక్సెస్ రేట్ విల్ బి ఎనీవే హై. వీఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఎట్ making our patients conceive with their own genetic material, వాళ్ళ ఓన్ గ్యామెట్స్, వాళ్ళ ఓన్ ఎగ్స్, వాళ్ళ ఓన్ స్పర్మ్స్తో అనేది సక్సెస్ రేట్ తెచ్చుకోవడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ రోజు అంటే ఈ డేట్లో మనం చూస్తే వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ పేషెంట్ 15 years మ్యారేజ్ తర్వాత ఈ రోజు కన్సీవ్ అయింది విత్ హర్ ఓన్ ఎగ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద కమిట్మెంట్ అండ్ క్లినికల్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ వీఆర్ ట్రైంగ్